Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Heroes. So today in this video we are going to make a calculator by Python. So if you have any problem after this video, I have given the link in the description. That link will directly lead you to this code and you can download this code so that you can cross check it. So first of all, you have to type find add a comma b colon, then our result a plus b, and then print result, then define subtract a comma b result is equal to a comma minus b, and the rest goes same. You have to do same with multiplication and divide it in also. Next thing is that we are going to enter the message which we are going to show in our run command. Please type the first number, then please type the second number, int, then input, and then the message. Then we are going to take the please type the number before the operator you want to choose. 1 add, second subtract, third multiply, fourth divide. So if they want to subtract, they have to write 2. If they want to divide, then they have to write 4. Then they have to type the number in this command, so it will take off as the number. So if they write 1, then we have to add a comma b, else if of 2, then subtract a comma b. Same goes with the multiplication and divide. One more thing, we have made a mistake over here, so it should be result. So our code is ready to run. Let's just test it. Our first number is 66, second number 33, and we have to add it. So I'll type in 199. Let's go. The code is working. You can do anything. You can add more features if you want, like raise to or power. Just keep on adding things and it will become professional. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this. I have given the link to this code in the description so that you can download it from there. And thank you for watching, guys.